everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we will be talking about this product here, which is the Badescu drying lotion, which looks like this. Now I know that this product has been around for so long and I am definitely late to the party. I have wanted this for literally years. I don't understand why I haven't purchased it previously. I can't answer things like that because I honestly don't even know. But yeah, I've wanted it for so long and I actually got this as a gift and I was super excited and just started trying it out straight away. I was literally almost like praying for a pimple to come up so I could see if it does work. I have used it a couple of times now, so I thought it is definitely time to tell you guys my opinion. Is it worth it and does it actually work? So for reference, this is the only size that this product comes in, which is a 29ml bottle, and it retails for $24. So it's sold at Mecca in Australia. I'm not too sure if they sell it anywhere else or overseas where you can get it from, but it is basically a spot treatment that fights your pimples or blemishes overnight, which I will get into in a minute. I'll just read you all about it first. So the benefits are, it's vegan, it's anti-blemish, it's sulfate free and paraben free. It says it's an overnight vegan spot treatment that works to dry up the surface of blemishes and reduce associated redness and inflammation as you sleep. It has salicylic acid and sulfur, which exfoliates inside the pore to remove bacteria and excess oil. It also has calamine lotion, which soothes and calms the blemish, and the sulfur is a gentle mineral that draws out impurities and absorbs oil. It's made without animal products, which is amazing, and to use it, it just says, without shaking the bottle, dip a cotton bud into the pink sediment at the bottom of the bottle. Apply the solution to the surface of the blemish and allow to dry. For best use overnight. So until I got this and actually did look into it, I knew that there was the pink down the bottom and then the clear liquid, but I didn't realize you weren't meant to shake it. So I'm so glad that I actually read that before I used it. Definitely with some products, it is best to actually read the usage instructions. Otherwise they just don't work properly, so there's no point. So yeah, just a quick close-up. So as you can see here, that is the pink sediment and then the rest is clear. You get a cotton tip, put it in right down to the bottom, which you might be able to see some little indents in there where I've used it. And then yeah, you just put it straight onto your blemishes, pimples, whatever you have. It is really nice. It smells to me almost like an antiseptic. But yeah, I just find the whole process works so well with my skin. Now, I have a normal to dry in winter type skin. I don't have a lot of acne that comes up, but I definitely do get pimples here and there. So I have used it probably like on 4 pimples. Now, does it work overnight? Not always, to be honest. I feel like it depends on you and your pimple. So I'd say it definitely reduces redness. I feel like it definitely helps, but you might not wake up with nothing on your face. So just be aware of that. Don't just think that this is going to get rid of everything overnight. It will definitely help, but you might just not have nothing. You might have a little pimple still, if that makes sense. I feel like I'm not making sense today. But would I recommend it? I really, really would. It has like met my expectations and I'm so glad that even after waiting all of this time that I have it and I have got to like try it and use it. So yeah, if you have acne, pimples, definitely check out this product. Hopefully it does work for you. But if you've tried this, let me know your thoughts and if you would repurchase or not. I feel like it's one of those things that I definitely will always have in my bathroom drawer. I really like it. I really think it does make a difference. So yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful, and as always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.